How to invite friends on Temu app. Let's get started. Launch your Temu app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom you're gonna find different options. Head towards this option of view. Now open this option on credit and free gift. In this page you will be able to find different options. Using any of these options you will be able to invite any of your friends. For now I will be selecting this one option, redeem cash. You can also choose this one option. Click on continue. Now click on this option of refer new app users. With that pop-up will appear. Now you are able to use Snapchat, WhatsApp, Messenger and other social media apps given over here to invite any of your friends, or also you can copy link and send it, or you can directly use the messaging box. Likewise, you can copy the code of your Temu account and send it and invite any of your friend. Clicking on this option of more, you will get more options, your drop messages and so on. So this is how you can easily invite friends on Temu app. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.